everyone, it's Emma here, and I am beyond excited today because I have some big news to share with all of you. After years of hard work, I am thrilled to announce that my book, Memory Mastery, is finally here. Yes, that's right. It's written by me, Emma Alam, your world memory champion, world speed reading champion, world mind mapping champion, and the holder of 2 Guinness World Records. And this book was co-authored by me and my coach. I couldn't have done this alone. I owe it all to my incredible coach, Sania. She is the one who took me from being an average student struggling with my studies to becoming a world champion. All the credit goes to her. And guess what? She hasn't just trained me. She's trained so many other champions who have won countless competitions and even broken Guinness World Records in the field of memory. For instance, one of our students memorized 30 random numbers in just 4 seconds. Can you even imagine looking at that many numbers in 4 seconds? And he memorized them. And let me tell you, neither I, nor he, nor the hundreds of other students she's trained were born geniuses or with photographic memories. We learn these skills just like any other student can. And that's exactly what this book is about. Now let me tell you something special about memory mastery. This book took years of research into the human memory, along with countless hours of experience and training. It took us 2 full years to write this book so that you at home can read it and gain the skill of memory. We've laid out all of our secrets for you. All the techniques I used to study 5 times faster than most students, win the World Memory Championship, break Guinness World Records. Everything you need to know about mastering your memory is right here in this book. I am so excited for all of you to read it and benefit from it because this book is truly life-changing. It has changed the course of my life, and I hope you'll find some insights that will do the same for you. Thank you so much for all of your support, and I can't wait to hear what you think about the book. Stay tuned and happy memorizing.